Welcome at Enphase, and this is the IQ Relay. The IQ Relay consists of a single phase and a multi-phase skew and can be used as a net separation device to protect your grid from your PV system. As a bonus, we've added some interesting features to the multi-phase skew to help you simplify your installations. The single-phase version of the IQ Relay accepts a maximum continuous current of 20 amps. Just like on our IQ Gateway, the neutral wire is connected on the left side, so make sure, especially with the multi-phase version, that you do that correctly. The multi-phase version of the IQ Relay can be used for a single, 2 or 3-phase configuration. We've added a phase coupler so you can communicate over all 3 phases, and it accepts a maximum continuous current of 25 amps per phase. You can also use the test button to select which phases you're going to monitor. Because even if you set it to only phase 1, it will still keep phase 2 and 3 active because the relays inside are all connected. On the single phase version, the PV is connected on the bottom, whereas on the multi-phase version, the PV is connected on the top. Make sure that you keep an eye on this, because if you connect them the other way around, it will not work. The IQ Relay has a DIN rail clip on the back so you can easily mount it in your consumer unit. Just like on our other devices, the IQ Relay has a barcode that can be scanned with your installer app. If you want to know more about our products, visit our documentation center on the website www.enphase.com.